Hello. Today, let us understand the topic of management, nature, importance, and functions of management. Management is the process of getting things done through people. Management is what managers do. It also refers to the people at the top level in the organization concerned with decision making. Management is the coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal. Such administration activities include setting the organization's strategy and coordinating the efforts of staff to accomplish these objectives through the application of what available resources. Now coming to the definitions of management. According to Henry Fayol, to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and control. So according to him, planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating and controlling are the functions of management which every manager has to perform in order to get things done through people. One more definition given by Peter F. Drucker in 1955. According to him, management is concerned with the systematic organization of economic resources and its task is to make these resources productive. So, management is effective utilization of what? All the resources in order to achieve the enterprise objectives. Management explains how effectively managers can respond to the customers' requirements, how innovation can be constantly pursued in all of the firm, how the people in an organization can participate as partners in progress, how leaders adopt better to changes than fighting against them, instill and share an inspiring vision. How activities in an organization can be controlled through simple support system. So that is about management. It is the process of getting things done through people. Now coming to the nature of management. Management is a social process. Social process refers to the series of activities that are performed in the society. Management helps the managers to carry out these activities effectively and efficiently. In order to achieve the goals of the organization, manager has to use the term management. And management also denotes a body of people involved in the decision making. In order to take a decision, what the management has to do, it has to involve body of people in the decision making process so that they can make good decisions for the organization in order to achieve the individual as well as organizational objectives. Management is omnipresent and universal in nature. Successful organization shows the management principles apply to every kind of organization and also every level in it. Hence, it is called omnipresent and universal. And also, management is inexact science. Management principles are not like those in science or mathematics where we can get exact solutions for the given problems. Where things are fairly clear or exact. Hence they cannot be generalized precisely. And also management is complex in nature. All the functions of management are complex in nature. So they fairly call for a fairly professional approach to manage a given situation or organization. And also management is situational in nature. The same style of management cannot work for the same situation every time. The change in the situation may call for a change in the style of functioning of the manager. So the style of functioning can be different according to the situation in the organization. And management is an art, also a science. Management is a profession because profession refers to a vocation or a branch of advanced learning such as engineering or medicine. Management helps to carry out every profession in a scientific manner. And management is interdisciplinary in nature because the subject of management is derived from so many subjects like economics, IGNI programming, PERT and CPM, from operations, research, probability theories, correlation and regression analysis, etc. And according to management, so manager has four types of resources. The four types of resources are men, money, materials, and machines are the four types of resources of every manager that has to manage it. Coming to importance of management. It helps in achieving goals. It arranges the factors of production, assembles and organizes the resources, integrate the resources in effective manner to achieve goals. It derived group efforts towards achievement of predetermined goals. And it facilitates the achievement of goals through limited resources. It ensures smooth sailing in case of difficulties. Manager guides the organization, especially in trouble. And management ensures continuity in the organization. Continuity is very important in the organizations where there are no proper guidelines for decision making. Continuity cannot be guaranteed. It is quite natural that new people join while someone other retire or leave the organization. Continuity is more important in order to achieve the organizational goals. And management ensures economy and efficiency. Without manager, it may be difficult to get the job performed efficiently. It is only the manager who plans the things, who coordinate the things, monitor the things, guide the people, support the people in a proper manner in order to achieve the targets. And it focuses on group efforts. And management is the key to economic growth by proper decision making, proper planning, proper controlling, and proper guidance and support for the individuals in order to achieve the organizational objectives.